In Republic of Benin, the Constitution is very clear. Section 5, subsection 4AB. Before the president will send any member of our armed forces to combat outside Nigeria, he must get the prior approval of the Senate. That's the 5-4B. Did he get it? No. And as such, it's illegal and unconstitutional. When he had already gone there, sent our men in harm's way, he now came to the Senate to legitimize his illegality. Now, you can only send men to fight, if you're the president, before the approval, if our national security is at risk. Then when you do that, then you now go to Senate. But let me ask, what has a coup been conducted in outside our country? What has it to do with our national security? Niger Republic, there was a coup there. Mali, there was a coup there. Burkina Faso, there was a coup there. What has that to do with our national security? Because the border we have with Niger Republic is 2 times more than the border we have with the Republic of Benin. So if that did not threaten our national security, what is the business of Nigeria putting our men in harm's way when we have this terrible insecurity problem in Nigeria? And you're depleting the number to go and fight for your friend in Republic of Benin, another democratic tyrant. That's Patrice Talon. He emasculated all the opposition in his country, sent some of them to jail, wiped out the opposition political parties. And let me point out, when you wipe out the opposition parties and you become a one-party state, you know what? The military will become the only party that you would have to deal with. And that was what happened in all these countries. And if APC wants to go that way of trying to destroy democracy so that they can be the only one party, then they risk the military being the only opposition they will have.